Hello everyone, welcome to my mini podcast. And today, my guest is Mr. Francine Arias. And let's talk about his lifestyle. And this is your first question, Mr. Francine. What does a typical day in your life look like? And how do you prioritize your time?
My typical day starts early with a brisk walk and cup of coffee. This helps me clear my head and prepare at that day ahead. Then review my schedule and prioritize my tasks, focusing on the most urgent and important item first. I find that breaking down in large tasks into smaller, manageable steps helps me stay on track and avoiding feeling overwhelmed. This approach allows me to maintain a balanced schedule and ensures I have time.
Thanks for your nice answer, Mr. Francine. And this is your second question. What habits or routine have you adopted to maintain a healthy and balanced lifestyle?
Maintaining a healthy, balanced lifestyle is a priority for me. I strive for a balanced diet, focusing on whole foods and limiting processed foods. Regular exercise is also crucial, so I aim for at least 30 minutes of physical activity most days, whether it's run, yoga session, or a walk in the nature. I also prioritize getting enough sleeps and practices into my routine, such as meditation or deep breathing exercise.
And this is your third question, Mr. Francine. How do you stay motivated and focused when life gets stressful or overwhelming?
Life can be stressful, and it's important to have strategies in place to manage those challenges. When I feel overwhelmed, I take a step back and remind myself of a bigger picture. I focus on my goals and break the large tasks into smaller, more manageable steps. This helps me to stay track and avoid feeling paralyzed by the enormity of the situation. I also prioritize self-care during stressful times. This might involve spending time in nature, engaging in a hobby, or simply taking a break to relax and recharge.
And this is your fourth question, Mr. Francine. What role does self-care play in your life? And how do you make time for it?
Self-care is essential for my overall well-being. I recognize that taking care of myself allows me to better serve others and pursue my goals. I make time for my self-care by scheduling regular time or me time into my week. This might involve reading books, spending time with nature or friends, or engaging in a creative hobby. I also prioritize getting enough sleep as find it essential for my both physical and mental health.
And be ready for your last question, Mr. Francine. How do you approach setting and achieving personal goals, whether short-term or long-term?
I believe in setting clear, achievable goals that align with my values and aspiration. When setting a goal, first define what I want to achieve and why it's important to me. Then break down the goal into smaller or manageable steps, creating a timeline for completion. For short-term goals, I focus on achieving these steps with a specific time frame. For long-term goals, I track my progress towards each milestone, celebrating small victories along the way. This approach keeps me motivated and focused on achieving my aspiration, both big and small.
Thank you for sharing your time and perspective with me today. And thank you for watching, guys.